Oh! Holy
wow.
shit!
No. Yeah, we got something going here. This Tesla and Volvo are doing something every day.
Every day?
5 days a week.
I don't understand.
Fucking idiot.
Welcome back, folks. Hope you enjoyed this latest compilation. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.
Playboy.
Yeah, what are you doing, stupid? Are you high or something? What are you doing? Hurry up! Go! Fucking moron. Go!
Parked on the side of the road, with a woman sitting inside and a man standing alongside smoking a cigarette. The deputy also noticed skid marks indicating the truck had come to a sudden stop. The deputy asked the man if he had any identification. That request was based on the defense. We are the warriors who learn to love again. We come from different places, but have the same name. We were born for this. We were born.
Instant Brazilian wax.
My brother in Christ, where the fuck are you going?
That's illegal now. My God, dude. I wish they would have fucking hit you.
Stuff You Should Know podcast on America's #1 podcast network, iHeart. Open your free iHeart app and search Stuff You Should Know and start listening.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to help the channel grow. And don't forget to leave a comment to let us know how we're doing. We welcome your feedback. Have a great day.